Hackers are some of the most relentless problem solvers on the planet. They break into systems, often outsmart security professionals, and always stay one step ahead. But what if I told you that you could use that same mindset to succeed in life? Whether you're looking to improve your online safety, master a new skill, start your career in cybersecurity, or build your very own business, thinking like a hacker could change your life. Let's break it down into 5 lessons. Hackers stay ahead because they're obsessed with learning. Their curiosity is never-ending. They're always trying to understand how something works, and they use this to break into systems. You can use your curiosity to learn about the various ways you can keep yourself safe online, how you can protect your business, or the steps you need to progress in your career. If you want to win, start thinking like a hacker. Experiment. Be curious. The people who stay ahead are the ones who never stop expanding their knowledge. Hackers don't take things at face value. They ask questions. How does this work? How do I get someone to click the link? What happens if I click this button? What happens if I run this script? You should do the same. Don't settle for what you're told. Dig deeper, challenge assumptions, and don't be afraid to ask why. The more questions you can answer, the more equipped you are for whatever situation you find yourself in. For example, if you receive a phishing email, question the email instead of assuming that it is legitimate. A hacker doesn't just stop at the first access denied message they encounter. Instead, they try to find another way to achieve the same outcome. In life, when you hit a roadblock, do you quit? Or do you pivot, adapt, and keep going? Let's take fitness as an example. You were planning to go to the gym, but you suddenly find yourself in the middle of a thunderstorm. Do you give up, or do you try to do a few minutes of exercise indoors? Sometimes, things don't go as smoothly as planned. Always look for the alternative path to success. Hackers don't quit after one failed attempt. They try again and again and again. Sound familiar? That's because the most successful people in history didn't just give up. Life will test you. You will fail. But just like a hacker, you need to analyze what went wrong, fix your approach, and try again. Keep pushing, and eventually you'll make a breakthrough. Hackers persist to find a weakness, a flaw in the system. You need to persist in protecting yourself. Update your passwords, use multi-factor authentication, and never assume that you're safe. Hackers fail all the time, but they fail fast and learn even faster. If something doesn't work, they don't dwell on it. They tweak, test, and try again. In life, embrace failure as a tool for rapid improvement. The best hackers don't just react. They anticipate. They think 3 steps ahead. You can do the same in your life. Plan for success and prepare for challenges before they happen. Success isn't just about what you do. It's about anticipating what others will do. It's about strategy. Plan, prepare, protect. Whether it's your business, your career, relationships, or cybersecurity, always think one step ahead of the competition. Know their next move before they make it. The hacker mindset is powerful. These 5 behaviors are what separate the best from the rest. So what will you do? Will you sit back? Or will you start hacking your own success? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. And remember, hack your life before life hacks you.